Hi everyone, this is Professor Temi with MIT University. Have you been trying to break into cybersecurity? You've done everything you can, but you still cannot break in. I have good news for you. Why don't you join our upcoming cybersecurity program? We have the Cybersecurity GRC. GRC stands for Governance, Risk and Compliance. And the second course is called CompTIA Security Plus. This is a foundational class where you will learn about the language of the industry. I will encourage you to take these two classes. With these two classes, you can break into cybersecurity GRC. These courses are 8 weeks each and followed by coaching, mentorship, internship, and resume and LinkedIn profile optimization, interview preps, and on-the-job support. I will encourage you to register. I'm going to teach you from scratch. You don't need any technical background or any degree in tech or cybersecurity to break in. I teach you all that you need to break in, and I'll guide you for a lifetime. Schedule a call with me on www.myituniversity.com. Now, I've helped thousands of people breaking into this industry. You will not be an exception. Thank you for your interest.